Miss Stapleton, I hope you are surviving your ordeal on this unsavory program. I mean, you obviously are a woman whose taste is impeccable.
Oh, thank you. But really, I'm enjoying it very much. Having a lot of fun. I guess that means my taste is, peccable.
Peccable. What does peccable?
Oh, speaking of language, can I ask you a question about the Swedish chef?
The Swedish chef? What about him?
Well, you all know around here that he doesn't speak real Swedish.
He what?
No, he doesn't.
Send in the chef! Send in the chef! Imagine. All these years, you mean he has been speaking mock Swedish?
Well, don't be too hard on him.
Well, I have never. Where is he?
He said he got here as soon as he could.
Well, you tell him that from now... How do you know what he said?
Oh, I took a correspondence course once in mock Swedish. Oh, he admits the whole thing. He says he doesn't speak real Swedish.
Well, you tell him that this must end. He must stop speaking mock Swedish and speak honestly and normally.
Oh, all right.
Well,
Oh, he admits the error of his ways. And he says from now on, he'll speak only in his native tongue.
Good. What did he say?
Oh, I don't know. I don't speak mock Japanese.